This is Akashvani. Time for a weekly program, Our Guest. I hand over the mic to the show host, Nitish Arora, for the same.
Reading habits are going down. But does this mean that people have stopped writing? No. Lots and lots of young writers are coming up every second day. I can understand very few people buy books these days because you have digital editions and many of them come to you, reach straight to you free of cost. But the magic of a book is something which only an avid book reader can tell. It's sheer magic. And as it is said that a good book is friends for a lifetime. I'm very happy to welcome our guest today, Mr. Hridayanand Prusti. He is a young author, but that perhaps is only the jacket of the book. He is into many other things. Today, welcome to our guest.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You are just 28.
Yes.
And you are a technocrat. You are into public policy. You've been writing books. How come so many things all at such a young age?
So, this is only possible because of the strong passion. Like if I will tell you, like I did BTech from Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology. We normally tell Burla Engineering College. It is from Sambalpur. And then after that, I did public policy from Takshashila. And presently, I am working with National Health Authority Health Ministry as looking after the scheme policy of Ayushman Bharat scheme. But this writing a book is different. It's like fully the passion. So why before sharing about the book, then definitely I should share why I have written this book, why it is required in this time, and what is the benefit specifically for the youth. If we had said that the name of this book is Threads of Wisdom, a youth's perspective on life. A youth is describing the different aspects of life, the realities of life. Only the purpose is to create awareness among the youths.
Hridayanand himself almost introduced the book, his latest book, which is a youth's perspective on life. What is the youth's perspective on life, if I may hear from the author himself?
The perspective is different. It varies from one to another. But what I believe, the perspective should be positive. The perspective, it should come from your heart. It should not be like, one Sanskrit shloka I have mentioned here in this book. And this shloka is definitely the biggest reason why I have written this. Sanskrit shloka is Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya Paradharme Vayavaha. We always follow the crowd. The meaning of this shloka is, it is better to lose in your own path than success in another's. हम सब हर टाइम ऐसा करते हैं, लाइक वी ऑलवेज फॉलो द क्राउड. कोई इंजीनियर बन गया, कोई आईएएस बन गया, आईपीएस बन गया, डॉक्टर बन गया. सो वी डू नॉट हैव ए पर्पस इन आवर लाइफ, ओन पर्पस कि मेरे को ये बनना है, कि क्यों बनना है. अगर किस चीज़ हम करते हैं, घर से बाहर निकलते हैं, डेफिनेटली हम कहाँ जाते हैं, किस काम के लिए जाते हैं, हम इसका क्लियर होता है.
It's all about strengths and weaknesses perhaps, because you should identify what your strength is. Other person's strength can be your weakness.
Definitely,
but what
yes.
you have in yourself is what which can be your strength.
Yes.
So as you said that we are looking for the success of others and trying to emulate.
Yes.
At best you can be a very true copy, but it again is a copy.
Yes.
It is not your original. So you
yes.
have to go for look into your core self, identify yourself first, and then everything will be clear. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Where did your journey started from? I mean, where were you born, and formative years, and what all you have done through this time?
Okay, so my journey started, if I will tell you, recently in 2020, during COVID, my first book was published. The book was Frontline Warriors, Flaring to Return the Spark of Hope. It was dedicated to the frontline warriors, those who were working during the pandemic. So there were 18 chapters in that book.
So largely health workers and...
So it's not even health worker. What was the situation during the COVID and how a ASA worker was working during that time, army and that sanitary worker, everyone. There were different chapters, 18 chapters from ASA worker, because we always know that ASA worker working on the ground and the topmost in the country, Prime Minister is working. So the real scenario was there. Whenever I was writing that book, I had the opportunity to connect with many ministries, many different stakeholders, different departments. So during that time...
So where were you at that time?
During that time I was in Odisha.
And largely the book is focusing on health workers or workers of Odisha, the frontline warriors of Odisha.
The book was focused on the frontline warriors and their dedication during the COVID-19. So it was like pan-India level. It was not like Odisha.
Were you a frontline warrior at that time? I mean, what was your contribution during COVID? What were you doing?
I was working as a volunteer under the district
As a
administration.
volunteer?
Yes.
Okay.
So during
And what kind of volunteer work you took?
this hospital bed, if any beneficiary, if any COVID patient is there, so to provide the coordination between the district administration and families, I am sharing with you. Maybe I have not shared with even my family doesn't know. For this social service and all during COVID, मैंने अपने घर वालों से झगड़ा करके उस टाइम हुआ था ना, इफ यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग विथ एनी पेशेंट और एनी वन यू हैव टू क्वारंटाइन, गो फॉर क्वारंटाइन फॉर 14 days. आई एम द ओनली सन ऑफ माई फैमिली. सो मैंने घर वालों से झगड़ा करके मैंने बाहर रुका था. डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी स्कूल था, वो प्राइमरी स्कूल पे मैंने रुका था जस्ट फॉर टू डू द वॉलंटियर वर्क. आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू टुडे. एंड मेरे घर बोले थे कि क्यों चाहिए, क्या जरूरत है इसकी. आई स्टिल डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया कि व्हाई आई एम सच पैशनेट, एंड विथ अ क्लियर हार्ट आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. During that time also, when I was interacting with so many officers and ground realities, I got to know the real meaning of life. From that,
this is very important actually. This phase when COVID, the coronavirus came, it actually reshaped the life of many, and especially the youngsters. I believe that at that time you must be somewhere in your early 20s.
yes, 23, 24.
And as a youngster, looking and exposing yourself to something which was beyond imagination till that time, so that it definitely might have brought some changes in your personality. So what were the personality changes that came to your life after passing through that? Because many youngsters of your age right now are in the work field, and they might also have faced the similar kind, because I saw many youngsters actually developing negative personalities, but you have come out very positive after that.
Definitely COVID-19 reshaped my life. How I am sharing with you what I have learned from COVID-19. Acceptability, adaptability, accepting the real situation of life, kindness, humble, humility. आप बताइए कितने सारे लोगों के पास क्या ही नहीं था, but only struggling to get the life. So ये सब you know it very well. मतलब I am not sharing with you. But the thing is how COVID-19, when I was working during that time, so I saw the real situation. लोग खाने के लिए मतलब उनको खाना ही नहीं मिल रहा था. जो लोग हर दिन काम करके बाहर जाके उनको कुछ पैसा रोजगार करते हैं, and definitely after that
and our youngsters became a very potent force at that time, because they
Definitely,
really
yes,
delivered
yes,
a lot
yes,
of services.
yes.
I think many youngsters, they took up to, as you took up to the volunteerism as working for the patients and working
Yes,
with the
yes.
district administration. Many youngsters, I have recorded quite a few of them. One aspect which at that particular time was left out was of the street dogs or street animals.
Yes,
So
yes.
many youngsters actually came out and serving to those street animals, because they were left in the lurch. They were nowhere to go. So lot of youngsters, they did a great job. So were there any youngsters in your book of the Frontline Warriors?
Oh, youngsters, yes, I have mentioned about so many youngsters and some organizations also. Because after fully research, I have written that book. But during that time, I did not think about this कि मैंने ये किताब लिख के उसको commercial करूँगा. Nothing. I love to write. I did the research on COVID and all. मैंने जब काम कर रहा था during that time, I thought कि ये इसका पूरा सिनारियो मैं किताब के तरफ से लिखूँगा. Then जब मैंने ये लिखा, during that time I got the opportunity to interact. Then definitely I thought कि I will change my field. During that time I was an assistant engineer in JSW. Work from home was there. So I thought I will change my field. I will join developmental field and all. And then after that I joined, and still I will.
This is part of your personality to change your field so many times. You graduated in engineering stream, and then you changed your mind to start writing books. Then you changed your mind to public policy.
No. I have not changed. Only once time I did BTech. BTech के बाद मैंने तो public policy लिया. Public policy तभी लिया जब मैंने clear ही हो गया था. You have to join the developmental
Okay,
field.
so you
Yes.
had this thing in your mind.
So
because
that
there was a
writing
passion.
the book and everything is as a passion I have. Even this book is I have written. The another I have already started, and that will be like something, again it is related to life, but it will
How do
come.
you manage the funding of, because writing book is one part of it, getting it published is another part, because lots of money goes into it. How do you manage the funding part of it?
Funding part, this I have only from my own pocket money. I have spent all these things. So in future, let's see if anything is required, anything. So I have
And
to
your
see.
parents are supportive of this, or do
Yes,
they
yes,
object to it?
definitely no object. During the COVID-19, they क्या ही चाहिए हमको, अपने खाओ, अपने ये करो.
So that COVID came as a blessing to you.
बट डेफिनेटली वो दर्द होता है, पापा माँ पेरेंट्स होते हैं तो कि क्योंकि कुछ हो जाएगा. But they are very supportive. Still, I am telling you, if I am here today, you are taking the interview. My father is the biggest reason. During COVID-19, when the launching of my first book, मेरा पापा खुद चेयर टेबल ये सब लाकर, क्योंकि कोविड की नॉर्म्स था, ऑनलाइन ही मेरा लंच हुआ था. यूनियन हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी वाज देयर as a chief guest and I think governor also was there. So ये सारे अरेंजमेंट्स मेरे पापा खुद किए थे during that time. तो उसके बाद फिर he is supporting everyone.
Now that you have tasted the blood, now you have written 2 books. They have come up well and they're doing good also. As you said before getting into this interview, you told me that it's doing not very brisk selling, but it's selling well. What do you think of doing beyond this? You want to become a full-fledged author, writer, or there are other things in mind? Or you want to change your mind again?
No, I am not planning to change it. For the first thing, I am in my profession, so I will continue that.
Okay, in the public policy.
That is clear. Then again, if you are telling the full phase author, because I never planned, I never imagined that I will write one book someday and it will be published. It will be published by Dr. Kiran Bedi. So I am going with the flow of life with a positive attitude, accepting the real situation, all these things. So my message to the youth, all these things, planning is okay. मतलब we plan कि बिना planning से execution से मतलब होगा ही नहीं. But I never thought about becoming an author. मैं कल ये बनूँ, थोड़ा इसका करूँ, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. I'm just going with the flow, with the proper of my whatever I my capable and knowledge and to utilize, so that it will be benefited for the society. Direct or indirect.
Mostly it is the inner calling that propels you to do or take up something in particular, just like writing a book. It was really fun to host you, and unfortunately we do not have much time left with us. Anything more that you want to share with the listeners, especially the youth's perspective, because youngsters these days, the generation gap, it seems that it has widened even more. The parents are always complaining that youth is going astray. The society is always complaining that the youth are going astray. And the political leadership will say that youngsters are not taking up their responsibilities, just only know about the rights but not the responsibilities. So much of pressure on the youngsters. I am somebody who believes that youngsters are delivering and they are doing such fabulous work, and I have full faith in them. You are a youngster, you have written a book on the youth's perspective. What is your perspective on youngsters? How do we culminate this program? What would you like to say?
So definitely I agree with you. Youngsters are doing really good. If we are moving towards Viksit Bharat or developing, and definitely youngsters, they have a very good role. But in the same time, I will definitely share one side I have written. So that is the answer of every questions.
You have written yourself?
Yeah. The first 2 lines is very famous. Then after that, the extended version was written by me. नौकरी कहीं, घर कहीं, सपने कहीं और अपने कहीं. It is, I think you have observed in someone. Okay. This is famous. भीड़ में चल तो रहे हैं, मगर जाना कहाँ ये नहीं पता. हर सुबह कुछ खोता है, हर शाम को कुछ थमता है, पर दिल के भीतर एक सवाल चुपचाप रोता है. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं क्या यही मेरा जीना है? क्या यही मेरा जिंदगी है? डिग्रियां तो है पर दिशा नहीं है. फोन है पर फुर्सत नहीं है. चेहरा मुस्कुराता है पर आत्मा थकी हुई है. हम सब भाग रहे हैं मगर खुद से दूर जा रहे हैं. कभी वक्त निकालो दोस्त अपने लिए, अपने भीतर झांकने के लिए, क्योंकि मंजिल वही होता है जहां दिल और दिशा दोनों साथ चलते हैं.
क्या बात है, बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया. Exactly. Before you actually know the society, you must know thyself. That is how the Bible also starts. Know thyself. Because everything outside is what is inside you. So the search for truth begins from inside. Go to your core and you will find the world.
Yes.
You spared your time and you've written such precious books of wisdom. Thank you so much for being our guest today.
Thank you so much for hosting.
You were listening to the weekly program Our Guest that is broadcast every Monday at 9:15 a.m. Don't forget to tune in next week, same day, same time and same frequency for more on Our Guest. Have a nice day.